For adding subtitles, open YouTube Studio in your browser. Your channel is visible. Go to Content and select a video to which subtitles are to be added. For auto subtitles, click Video Subtitles. Window opens. Add language from the list. Click Duplicate and edit. Then play this video. It has subtitles. Now again, go back to Add Language. Add Hindi. Click Add, then Auto-Translate and Publish. Add Kannada. Click Add, then Auto-Translate and Publish. Add Punjabi. Click Add, then Auto-Translate and Publish. Add Tamil. Click Add, then Auto-Translate and Publish. Add Urdu. Click Add, then Auto-Translate and Publish. All these subtitles are added. These can be selected one by one from the video settings. Click Settings, click Hindi, play video. Thank you for watching this video.